Whoa.
Head
What's that?
The bird.
Oh, yeah.
Alfred Hitchcock.
I have seen that movie.
She hasn't, though. That's why she's not here. You haven't seen that movie. Oh, my gosh. After that movie, I just... Anytime I saw a bunch of birds, I just was so freaked out.
Where are they, Ryan?
Oh, gosh.